This fashion show shocked everyone because there were no clothes at all. But this wasn't for attention. Designers are using the human body itself to send a message, one that could expose the entire fashion industry. Fast fashion is collapsing, and this might be the rebellion you didn't see coming. The real question is, why are people calling this the future of fashion? Behind the runway glow sits a machine, fast, cheap, endless. Mountains of returns, landfills dyed with last season's colours, rivers run with rinse water, microfibers slip into the sea, hands cut, stitch and press under impossible deadlines. When designers strip away fabric, they're not selling shock, they're revealing the cost. So we ask, what story can a body tell that a billboard cannot? Designers explain it simply. Clothing can hide the problem. The nude, or nearly nude, removes branding, price, and trend. With consent at the center, the body becomes neutral ground. Truth before styling. Silhouettes, body paint, and projection replace logos, turning skin into signal. The point isn't exposure, it's expression. Line, light, and posture replace the billboard. In studio vignettes, ideas are sketched, materials tested, safe, respectful, intentional. Close-ups. Brush across shoulder, a contour mapped in light. Abstraction over detail. When nothing is for sale, everything said becomes clearer. Consent guides the session, clarity guides the choices. Silhouette says proportion. Posture carries emotion. Light edits the message in real time. And in that quiet, the design speaks. Meaning depends on where and how the message is shown. Public space brings permits, law, and local norms. Galleries invite context, wall text, and care. In a plaza, protest turns performative. Silhouette, body paint, and choreography within agreed space and rules. In a gallery, context is explicit. Labels, age guidance, staff present, attention on form and meaning, not titillation. Consent is explicit. Checklists on a clipboard, a robe between takes, heaters adjusted, collaboration over spectacle. Myth, nudity equals obscenity. Reality, intent, framing, and audience define reception. Communities differ. Some celebrate body art festivals, others restrict displays. Protest adapts to place. Ultimately, context matters. Venue, audience, and intent shape what is seen and how it's understood. Misconceptions spread fast online. Clips stripped of captions or consent notes invite suspicion. Myth. Models lack agency. Reality. Boundaries are set, and stopping is respected at any point. Most sessions are academic. Proportion, gesture, and light, assessed by peers, not tabloids. The atmosphere is closer to a library than a boudoir. Runway and installation shows now cast inclusively, ages, shapes, genders, making the body a shared language. When it works, viewers see labor, sustainability, and agency, non-toxic paints, reusable tarps, clear cleanup, rather than scandal. Myth. Only masters need live models. Reality. Students and veterans return to life drawing. Quiet rooms continuing as headlines roar outside. Set the place, state the consent, share the purpose. Then the work reads as culture, not shock. Soft. At first, shock. Gentler. Then the eye settles. We notice breath, stance, courage. Rising. The body becomes the message. Reflective. Not a product, but a protest. Against waste, against harm, for dignity. If fabric can distract, skin can clarify. Quiet. Breath suggests a turn, art answers. Gentle exhale. The body becomes the message, ending loop, calm. When you see a statement like this, will you look away or look deeper?